Look at this. It's beautiful. I love dealing with cows and the range. It's just what I love to do. I love agriculture and ranching, especially cattle. I grew up around it. That's all I've ever known, and I can't really imagine doing anything else. There's lots of memories. Working cows with my dad and grandpa, it was what you did. Sometimes that was your vacation, but it didn't seem like work because you just enjoyed doing it so much.
My dad, he was darn sure the patriarch. He was a leader, always spoke his mind, very well respected, and it's a person that I probably don't go a day without thinking about. Something he did, something he said, or just the examples that he led by. Stepping into the role now of where he was after he passed, those are shoes that will never be filled. I won't try to fill them. I'm just going to be the person that he raised me to be and hopefully have an impact on somebody's life, just by example. That's just who I am. The future of the ranch is important to me because if the generations before me hadn't taken care of it, I would never have been afforded the opportunity that I have. And I would like to afford that same opportunity to the generations coming up. And Rejuvra it does play a very important part in that because it's all about taking care of our land. And without that care, what do you have?
Being the 5th generation on the ranch, and my daughter will be the 6th up and coming. She's just 1 year old right now. The lifestyle about it is incredible. Just being around all of this when you're growing up just makes you appreciate it that much more. And I can't wait to pass it on to the next generation after this.